Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. Today we're going to discuss about a tool called theHarvester. The Harvester is a tool for data, getting data, gathering information from various sources on the internet, such as Google, social media platforms, and websites. In particular, the syntax for the Harvester tool is harvester-d. Let us go see it in practice. 1 second. So, for example, I'm going to do /edge, which will list for me the options available to use with the harvester. Uh, we will be using the D, which is the domain, to specify the domain to search, and we will also be using the /b to specify the source. We can search, we can use Bing. Let's use Bing for our search. Okay, the harvester. Harvester hash d, let's say websource.com, for example, and /b, let us use Bing. There was no search results from Bing. Let us change and use Yahoo. Yeah, as you can see, it has found 3 emails related to the domain websource.com, and most likely it got it from their main website. And also it has found host spelling.websource.com. So this is the use of the harvester. It's used to scrub the web to get information about a specific domain. Okay, you can use different browser search engines, but the most common ones, Google is not allowed to be to use in the harvester. Let's check which search engines we can use. As you can see, we can use Anubis, Baidu, Pivigil, Binary Edge, Bing, and we have multiple search engines, but Google is not one of them. And that's it for today, and see you again.